everybody, this is Shikha. So guys, today we are here to do the Haldi and Mehndi setup. So this is the venue, it's a community center in Campbelltown, and this is how it looks. I actually love the ceiling, we can hang a lot of things here. Inside we are doing the Mehndi setup, and outside we are doing the Haldi setup. So this is how it looks, guys, and let's begin. So guys, we did the drapes over there, and then we put this arch, yellow and white, the typical Haldi theme. This is a personalized welcome sign, a photo prop, and garlands on the railing. And guys, here is the setup. This is how it looked. I actually fell in love with this. This is what my client wanted. I got this inspiration from Pinterest, and I'm so happy I'm able to create actually almost what she asked me for, as kind of pretty much similar setup, but in my own way. So guys, it was so nice, lovely, and we had so many photos. And going